Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Toyota Corolla 2015 model. In this car today I will show you driver door motor ECU communication stop. I will show you where is the driver door motor ECU and key antenna. Okay, here is the key. See, not working, so I will show you where is the key antenna location and driver door ECU. Also everything is in one ECU. I will show you where is the location, because remote not working, everything is stopped because this key antenna have some problem. Okay, today I will show you. Here you can see remove rear door, and then here you can see this is the ECU. Okay, see, door control receiver, this one. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.